Hi, I'm Ken Jordan, content creator here at Learning Zen, and I wanted to take a minute to talk to you about callouts. Now, callouts are a quick and easy enhancement you can add to your training to increase engagement and retention. And I bet most of us are using callouts already. You know the text that you put on your social media images and videos? Those are callouts. If you're of a certain age, you may remember VH1's pop-up videos, also callouts. I know! A callout can be text, shapes, images, motion graphics, sound effects, and you can combine them all together. Callouts can be used to list ingredients, identify steps in a process, emphasize a point, identify different elements of an image. You can even use them to update older content. And these are just a few uses for callouts. If you have a way that you like to use callouts, I'd love to hear it. Or if you would like help adding enhancements like this to your courses, you can contact me at kenj@learningzen.com. Oh look, another callout.